Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to organize the pay online by credit card. So this is the link. I'm going to click the link and let you know how to pay and how to confirm your order through the shopping cart and log in and then input your credit card number. So this is the shopping cart. So please scroll down and add it to cart, right? So let me click it. So after you add it, and then please view your shopping cart. Yeah, please click it here. And then you can find your shopping cart is here. Since I click the link double time, so that's why it shows that it's 2. So let me change it to 1. And then you can see that the monthly payment is $500. And then let me update this card. So the payment amount is changed to $500, right? So your card total value to pay is $5. So let me proceed to checkout. So please click here, proceed to checkout, and then you are going to go to the page that you can input your banking account number, your credit card number. So suppose this is your first name and last name showing on your credit card, and what's the name of your company, and then what's the country. So please click the country, and then you can see that, for example, you are from Saudi Arabia, right? So let me click down. So let me scroll down to Saudi Arabia, for example, and then please input your address and the city of your place and the country. So the country is Saudi Arabia and your postal code. And also you are asked to input your phone number and email address. And then you can see that your order is here. Your ordered virtual assistant monthly payment. So this is monthly payment $500. And then so you are going to have 3 ways to pay, to organize the pay. So one way is by credit card, for example, because I used the system before, so it's showing that my card ending number and expiration date, so I don't necessarily to pay through this link. For another example, if you choose that you want to pay through bank details, and then you have to go to your bank, so that's different. But here you are required to pay by credit card, and you can also pay by PayPal. And so you can click here PayPal, and then you can proceed to PayPal. And then don't forget to click this to tick this. I've read and agreed to the website terms and conditions. Tick this term. For example, I want to pay by credit card, so you are supposed to do so, and then place order, right? Okay, so this is the page you are going to continue to fill in the blanks, because I did not fill in the blanks for my billing state and country and address. So that's why there is a warning message showing that I need to input my country and zip code. So you, for example, you are from Saudi Arabia, so let me check it again. So you can find many countries, the global countries, on this list. So this is just an example to show you how you can use this this shopping cart online and pay by your credit card. So you may try again. Don't worry. If there is any mistake, please let me know, and I'm happy to help you. Thanks for your time and attention. Thank you. Bye bye.